Experience the next level of aerial photography with the new XD1 Mini Drone. This compact and portable drone is designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering advanced features in a mini size for easy transport and convenience. Key features: mini and portable design. The XD1 Mini Drone is small in size, making it easy to carry and perfect for on-the-go adventures. Altitude maintaining mode. Equipped with altitude maintaining mode and optical flow fixed point positioning, ensuring stable and smooth flight. Headless mode simplifies control by eliminating the need to adjust the drone's position before flight. Durable alloy structure. Built with a pressure-resistant and drop-resistant alloy structure, combining durability with a sleek, novel appearance. High-definition dual camera. Capture breathtaking scenery with a built-in high-definition camera, available in 4K, 6K, and 8K pixel options. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. The Wi-Fi function allows seamless connection to applications and APK systems for real-time photo, video, and live transmission through mobile apps. Autonomous flight path. Draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will autonomously follow the designated path for precise navigation. Anti-interference technology. The 2.4 GHz technology ensures interference-free operation, allowing multiple drones to fly simultaneously without conflict. 4-channel control. Enjoy versatile movement capabilities including ascending, descending, forward, backward, left and right flight, and 360 degrees rolling. 6-axis gyroscope. Provide smoother flight and easier control, perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Multiple flight features, includes up-down, front-back, left-right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, height-hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV, dual lens with dual lens switching function, and manual lens adjustment function. Specifications. Product size, 12 by 12 by 7 cm. Receiving frequency, 2.4 G. Recommended age, 14 plus. Battery, 3.7 V 600 mAh. Usage time, approximately 12 minutes. Remote control battery, 3X AAA batteries, not included. Motor model, 716 hollow cup motor. Remote control distance, up to 100 meters. Camera lens pixels, available in 4K, 6K, and 8K options. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial shots or just enjoying the thrill of flight, the new XD1 Mini Drone is packed with features that make it a top choice for drone enthusiasts. Its compact design and advanced functionalities ensure an exceptional flying experience every time.